Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we are back to work on the Hellcat, and we got a lot of work done on this that I'm going to show you guys, and we also have a lot of work that we're going to be doing in today's video because this thing is getting super close to getting painted. Finally got the mirror in. This is working very well. The blind spot, all that is working. The only thing is the rear camera still hasn't started working, so we're going to have to check it out, but that's okay because this mirror is going to be coming back off. Because another thing we got in today is all the materials to finish up the bodywork on the door. Now you might be wondering, why are we finishing bodywork on this door? Because I did say we were gonna go check out another door. Well, that door turned out to be a bust. So basically, the entire front half of the door was bondoed. This one has about 25% of it bondoed, maybe a little bit less than 25%. But that door, the entire front half, from the bottom to the top, everything was completely bondoed and it was chipping, it was cracking. And the thing even worse about that door was the entire door frame was bent. And this door's frame is not bent, it's completely straight, it all lines up. And this gap right here is completely straight on our door, and that one completely bent. So that guy was trying to scam us, and he was trying to like hide stuff from us. And basically we had no idea that that door was in that bad of a condition because he never told us about it. We asked for photos and everything, and he took them in angles in a way where you couldn't see the damage. But you know, it was too good to be true. That door was only 200 bucks, but that's okay because we're gonna fix this door for less than that. It's almost there. This top part is already super smooth. So let's just go ahead, finish up down here, and then this door will be done. From the door, we went ahead and we also stitched up these seats. These seats are completely stitched up. Both of them are completely stitched. And we even got some embroidery done on the headrest. That's my brother's name. This is his car. It's pretty epic. That's super cool. You might be thinking that this car is a little bit dirty in some areas. There's a lot of dust on it right now on a lot of different pieces of the car. And that's because before we came into the shop to finish the bodywork, we actually did have a little bit of fun with the car. Dude! We gotta clean this car. Yeah guys, so this is the door right here and it's about to get finished up. So let's just go ahead, get all of our sanding supplies and get to work on this door. Alright guys, so I got this fender off. I went ahead and I took the mirror off also. I had to take the door panel off to do that. But now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna tarp off this side because I didn't put the window up right here and I don't want to because I don't want to accidentally scratch it. So we're just gonna put some tarp up on this. Plastic wrap this sunroof because that sunroof is not working properly at the moment. So let's go ahead and get the plastics on this and we'll start the time lapse and finish up this door. Guys, so it is the next day and last night I completely finished up that door and it looks absolutely amazing. So guys, after that time lapse actually ended, I did go ahead and do one more skim coat on that door because I didn't like how it came out. So I did a skim coat and now that just sealed the deal. It looks way better now. I'm super happy on how it came out. And right there, about straight from Dodge, that door is about $700 plus the shipping and stuff. I think somewhere around maybe $800 to $1,000 for that door. So in this door right now, we have invested about $75 in there. So that's a steal right there. That door looks really good. I'm super happy I decided to go ahead and fix that door or attempt to fix it because it came out amazing. But basically next what's going to happen is I have a little bit more body work on the front bumper and on this fender. There's this area where we did some body filling here. It did bubble up a little bit. I don't know how. I guess the body filler did not properly adhere to the panel. It must have not been sanded enough or something. But I'll go ahead and I'll fix that and the bumper, but then we're ready for paint. So guys, next thing that's gonna happen to this car is it's ready for paint. I'm super excited to see this car be all one color. So let's go ahead and just start wet sanding and then get this thing ready for paint. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took off this door handle. It's right here. It's pretty simple, honestly, even though this door handle is like a pretty complicated looking door handle. It's very simple to get it out. I did have to rig up something so it would fit through the small little hole that it has, which is right here behind this rubber gasket, and then it goes all the way back in there. And I just watched the screw through this up here, that opening. So it's off now. This door is ready to go. It's fully bared out, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet sand. Here. So before we start spraying everything in, we're gonna wax and grease remover everything, mix the paint obviously, and then we're gonna spray everything in. So let's go ahead and start the time lapse and start painting this thing. Alright guys, so unfortunately, I guess we cannot paint today because of all the problems we're having with the gun, and now it's getting super late. So I guess we're just gonna have to resolve this, and hopefully we can get this painted tomorrow, because I don't want to leave paint that I haven't used up still in the gun. Yeah guys, so hopefully we can figure out what our issue is. Maybe we just need a new gun. I'm not too sure what's going on with it right now, but we'll figure it out, and then I guess we'll have to paint tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so it is the next day here, and this is our old gun, and we took a look at it, and some parts inside actually got damaged somehow. But anyways, we have a new gun for now, and this one looks really nice. This just feels nice and firm. So hopefully we get a great paint job out of this gun. But right now I'm reading the instructions because this gun is a little bit different than that one, and then we'll go ahead and start painting. In now, we got 3 layers of base coat on. So basically what I did is I did 2 layers of base coat, and then I did the last coat I did a mist coat to even out the metallics, so everything like looks nicely, because this paint does have a lot of metallics in it. I'm done with the base coat. I'm ready for clear. So I went ahead and I cleaned out the gun. It looks amazing on the inside now, and this new gun is spraying very, very good. It's spraying super nicely. I'm super happy on the way it came out. And right here, the filters on my mask are working because they're purple. They used to be white. It's pretty cool. Super excited to spray the clear coat with that gun. So let's go ahead and mix the clear coat and get this paint job slicked in. guys, so the clear coat is all laid down. We're gonna check up on it in a little bit once this whole place airs out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so it is the next day here, and I have still yet to look at these parts back here. I have not seen them yet. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys these parts because I can already tell by the camera that they look very shiny. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at them. I did not know that it did that. Oh, that was a bad idea. A lot of paint flakes just fell in here. But I bet it looked cool. Yeah, that was something I've always wanted to try, but I probably won't be trying that again. Alright guys, so the car's out in the sunlight. It looks really good. And all the parts are here too. Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We got a lot of stuff done. I just unwrapped the bumper. I took all the tarping off the car. Okay, now I got all the tarping off. So it's all off now, everything's painted. The paint job actually came out pretty good. I don't even think I'm gonna need to buff this paint job, just in a few areas, but definitely not the entire thing. Maybe I'll just go over the car with the polish, but not the compound, because this paint is a little old and I want it to be shiny like the rest of the new parts. But that is going to be all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one where we put this beast back together. But that is going to be all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, leave a like down below. And while you're at it, there's a shiny red subscribe button that you should click. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.